Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see, guys, the last video we tell you to buy from here, from that zone here, and we tell you the take profit, it needs to be here. Did it bring it? We are the only YouTube channel we told you to enter long in Bitcoin here to here. It's bring for you the target exactly, guys. That's the power of our analysis. So if you are not yet subscriber, make sure to subscribe to benefit from our analysis, guys. Us every day we put in for you 2 videos, guys. Every day 2 videos. You can join us here in YouTube by the red button down, click at it, subscribe next to it, bell, turn it to all, or you can join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, so like that you're going to be notified more quicker, guys. The last video we put it doesn't get a lot of views, but the last video is got a lot of information, guys. So now what is it the view for the Bitcoin, guys? I think it's going to make a reverse, guys. It's going to make a reverse to here where it started. Why? I'm going to tell you everything, guys, because look where we are now. We are near to the trend line as we have, and let me show you my chart for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, guys, let's zoom it a little bit like that, where we are. We touch for us that zone here, yes or no? And what it's showing here, it's showing a rejection. As you see it, guys, maybe it's going to come another candle to touch here the upper of the channel here, then after that there is another drop, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go into see the news, what it came today. As you see it, guys, the news will came today, and we tell it to you yesterday. We tell you all that kind of news which is coming today in the last video, guys. That one, by the way. And as you see it, guys, the consumer confidence, it came positive. It just came now. And the new home sales, it came positive. And that one is going to drop the Bitcoin and the stock market. As you see the stock market, all of it today, it become green. And the VIX, as you see it, guys, it's still very, 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 very high. So it's need to spike now. Plus the US dollar, as you see it here in the chart, what it do. From here it fall down all that much, guys, and now it's showing here it's going up. That's when it's going back to the last high where it used to be here. It used to be here, it's going back. So you need to make a close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you, guys. As you see it, guys, that one in the top, that the chart of the US dollar, that one, as you see it, it's being at the 114. Now it's going back up. It fall down till 113, guys, and today it's going back up. So you need to make a close eye at those things. The stocks, all of it today is green, but I think there is a reverse is coming, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go back now to the chart to show you more, and by night I'm going to show you what is coming tomorrow. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates, guys. So here we are, guys, in the chart. As I told you, me, my view personally from here, from that zone where it reach here, is going to make a correction to go back inside. So make a close eye at those things, because that level here, what we got here, we got the upper of that channel, as you see it, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's enter here to that zone between the bears and the bulls, as you see it there. And my view to it is going to continue touching here that trend line. Then after that is going to drop, guys. So make a close eye at it, what it's going to do in the future. Everything is too clear here, guys. And in the last video, guys, what did I told you here in our indicator? I told you, look at it. It's very clear, head and shoulder. Yes or no? It's breaking for you here. Where is the take profit, guys? Look at it. You came, you make it like that. Then you came, you make it the same one. It's going to come till that long-term trend, the one we have here. There is nothing hard, guys. It's just some people, they don't got any relation to trading. They came, they started teaching you online. That's the problem. Us, if you learn from us, you learn from professional people, guys. That's the job of them. That's what they're doing for a living. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, I know you are a subscriber to our channel. Did you smash the like button? Go ahead and helping us, guys. Smashing the like button and writing for us comments, helping us growing up more that channel. You saw us, we still very small channel and we deserve you like, guys. And tell us how you found our analysis, what we need to improve more. It's very simple, just writing for us down a comment, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's go in now to see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, what it's showing here. If you remember what me I told you, I told you got a big divergence like that. Yes or no? Another thing, I told you got a divergence here. And that was pushing the price to going up. And what did I told you? I told you the price action you have is that one. Hasn't break it yet, guys. It might that one from here to go to touch here that price action here, then after that it's going to drop. But if it's break it here, enter long, guys. I'm talking here about daily. Everything is too clear, guys. So now let's go into 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours, and here in the 4 hours was me I told you before. I told you got that one here. It's been broken here yesterday. Last night, what did I told you about it here? Exactly here. I told you if that candle closed like that, enter long. You can find it still in the last video, guys. The last video is it that analysis in it. I told you if it closed here, enter long. If you enter long from yesterday till now, all of you make very nice profit, guys. Look at it. And that's the power of our analysis, guys. I told you we got here a head and shoulder like that. Like that, you got a head and shoulder, guys. It's breaking for you the neckline here. You enter long from here, it bring you exactly the take profit, guys. And where did I told you to take the profit? I told you check it here in the last high here. It bring it or no? Exactly, guys. Now what the view for the Bitcoin, guys? What you need to do now? You take the profit here in that place, or you take some of the profit and you move the stop loss up, guys. Because from now, I think there is a big correction is going to come, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. In my chart, what I got, let me show you. In my chart, guys, as you see, that level me I told you where to take the profit here. As you see it, that one. And here we got the top of that channel. I think it's going to go till it touching here the top of that channel here. Then after that there is a big drop, and that the wage me I told you yesterday, guys. We've been following it for a long time, that wage here. When it's breaking, look at it. It's still more. I told you it's going to come till here. Till that zone here. That's why me I told you every time watching our videos, guys, because us we give you very highly in-depth analysis, guys. We are not other people. I don't know where they're getting that analysis from, or they copy from each other, because majority of them us we give you here that wage, and the others they started copy it. Us we give you our analysis, guys. Us we give you the analysis of us. We don't copy from no one, guys. That's the power between us and others, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what did I told you in the last video? You can remember it. We used to be here in that zone here when it's breaking here. I told you enter long now. If it closed that candle in the last video, you can find it. Look at it where it is now, guys. Now what the view? I think it's going to come up till the overbought area, guys. But don't enter now. Now it's too late. Then after that, it's going to fall down, guys. Now the entry, if you want to enter, unless if it's breaking the daily, guys. If it doesn't, don't enter now. It's still very, 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 very early for you to enter long now, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. And if you remember here in our indicator what we said we have here the trend line, that one. Yes or no? Now the view, that one, maybe it's going to come back to touch that trend line here. Then after that, it's going to go upward, guys. Where we should enter in 30 minutes, guys. Now everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. That one, guys, people they know me. We've been here at the oversold area, guys, all the time. We've been here at the oversold area. What I've been telling you, you are at the oversold area. Price action, where is it? I told you that wage here. When it's breaking, what happened here? Look, you make decent profit, guys. I told you take profit here, exactly in the top of those ones. And all those things, it's still in our channel. Because we're not just happy like that. It's still, go back to the last video, you're going to find it. Me, I told you exactly take profit here. Did it bring it, my friend, or no? Yes, of course, it bring for you the take profit exactly in the level where we told you us. That's the power of our analysis, guys. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple to benefiting from our analysis. You don't need to pay money or something or to get in our signals. It's very simple. There is a red button down. Click at it to subscribe to our channel. Next to it, a bell. Turn it to all, and like that when we put in a new video you're going to be notified, guys. Or you can join our Telegram channel, so like that you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now what is it, guys? Look at our indicator where it is at the overbought area, guys. That's what me I told you. Now it's going to make a correction, guys. Why? You are in a very stronger level, and here you are at the overbought area, guys. Should you enter short now? Not yet, guys. There is no price action here indicating it's going to fall down, guys. It's need to give you here a price action and to break it for you to enter. Yes, you are in a stronger level, but not yet. There is no price action, guys. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there in 30 minutes, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes, and here in 30 minutes what the market done for you. If you remember, here in 30 minutes, what else we telling you? People who follow me, what I told you here in 30 minutes. I told you got a flag here, if you remember. Here. It's still in our channel, guys, that the power. I told you here you got a flag like that. When it's breaking here, I told you enter long. Did it bring in for you the target? Exactly, guys. Here in 30 minutes, we said the target, it needs to be only here. It bring it exactly, guys. Look at it. That's the power of our analysis, guys. Now what you need to do, guys. I think now there is a correction coming, guys. Look at it. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. What you see in here, guys. What the market give you here. Now, it tried to give you here a double top, guys. Look at that. Very, very, very clear there. Yes, you can even draw like that. A flag like that, guys. Yes or no? Now, what you need to do? You came here to the double top, that one. And if it's breaking for you, the lower of it, you enter short, guys. If it's break it like that, you enter short. And I'm going to show you why. It's our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, where it is? Is it at the overbought area, guys? Here, the price action, I show it to you, the double top, which is here. Level, you are in a very stronger level, guys. Here it is. As you see it, guys, that the level you have. If you enter short, where you need to take profit? Here in that level at 19,462, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? Or you can be more conservative. Forget about the enter short. If it fall down, you're looking for a buy opportunity, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for today's video, guys. See you when the daily candle finishes, guys. Bye for now.